Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing some aircraft carrier. Um, so yeah, please leave a like, subscribe. It helps out way more than you think. Trust me. So while I do this, it would be amazing if you would like, subscribe, and all that. Alright, let's get into it. So a lot of y'all, well, I don't have any friends, but I play games with friends, and a lot of y'all ask how old I am, but a lot of my friends do, but I'll just tell y'all so y'all don't have to ask. I'm 10, turning 11 September 21st. What the heck did I just discover in here? And I might make a separate channel for like ASMR. Alright. Yeah, I think I might know how to play this game. Sorry about that. Thing died.
Переведи в набор.
So if y'all wanted a tutorial to do some like good
Переведи в набор.
moves, to dodge stuff,
Переведи в набор.
I will most definitely teach you. Someone has a lock on me. Who the heck has a lock on me? Tokyo fish? Flip. Right there. We are good. I'm good, Rooster. In fact, I'm gonna lock on Tokyo because I feel like that was the one annoying me earlier, so I'm gonna annoy him like crazy. Fire! No! Flip! Got him. It's a hit. I hope.
Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка.
Предельный
Предельный угол
Come
атаки.
on!
Предельная перегрузка.
Hit!
Предельный
Something!
угол атаки.
Please,
Предельная
something.
перегрузка.
He
Предельный
annoyed me,
угол
so I annoy
атаки.
him.
Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка.
Yes, guys. So what? need to try that 15 again. I haven't found it for 2 years. Oh, in the game. You know, yeah, I think I will start an opposite channel for ASMR. A lot of people say ASMR is like really cringe. Like, if it's done by the right person, it's really not that bad. And I've known how to do ASMR almost 3 years. Just don't do it too often. Channel at least. Because I don't feel like it was most of the time. Oh, Lemus. Didn't see him for a minute. Is he the only one with Baby P on in the server? Definitely not, but somebody may have just shot my engine. AJ Butt 2015. Nah, fam, that's weird. Nah, AJ Butt. AJ Butt, you're mine. I want you. I want you, Mr. AJ Butt. Wanna murder you. Where did you even go, bro? Okay, he's running. It's a hit. Should be at least. That's the most definitely miss. Who's he even in? I think that's an F-15. Or because the 15 is the only plane that I like. And that F-15 must be crazy. Run into my missile, cheat. Your name's literally AJ Butt. So you are a butt, right? Okay, that's a kill. That's a kill. Let's get it, AJ Butt. Get on my face, bozo. Y'all can recommend games in the comments section, and I will play them if they are appropriate, at least. If they're inappropriate for 10-year-olds, well, I play some games that are. I don't care. Recommend the game in Roblox, or I play Red Dead Redemption 2. Either one of those two, and yeah. So I have been doing my best of my life. So sometimes I think of filming on, I forget even how to get to it, GeForce Experience. Oh my god, nah. T-H-R-Y. T-H-R-Y. Tahari. Tahari. It's a great name. Tahari. Tahari. Bozo. Hurry, Bozo. Okay, and I might not live for long. Cause I goofy gobber. Gotta find. Oh, there's AJ Butt again. Ooh, AJ Butt's got his baby. Oopsie. Boop. You know, guys, I'll do a little ASMR now. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not doing any more of that. get a new mic, bro. Like, this one is crap, and I'm telling y'all that as a fact. This is the plane that I've been trying to get for forever. And I ain't kidding. I'm kind of pissed that I can't get it. I want this that I have it at the A10 Thunderbolt 2. Is there just the A10 Thunderbolt? I'm not aware. But yeah, there is. But I don't think it's called the TR. It's all you have to put down. T, close the canopy. R, turn on combat. Y, start the engine. What's the point of going to weapon this? I really don't see one. Ah! If somebody's already trying to... Debra, if you really just locked onto me when I'm not even off of the ground, you are gay. You're a monkey. You know, aircraft carrier, y'all should try this game. It's literally just called aircraft carrier. So fun. I think y'all don't have to, but that's just my opinion, alright? Who's got him? Damn it. Oh my god. I can eject from this thing. Didn't think this thing was... good enough to know how to make me eat. See, so I own this. I want this. The F4 Phantom. What the hell is that? The F4 Phantom. Permission to launch clear. Clio. Well, I'm gonna get $3,000 in a minute. Give me a sec, guys. I need to do something in OBS. Give me 2 seconds, guys.
I actually switched from Chrome to Opera GX a while ago just because I was so tired of Chrome being the absurd resource hog that...
If you want to get into live streaming or video production, then show recordings. If you want to have the program save your recordings to another folder, you can do so from your output settings. With your app open, click on File and select Settings. Once the app setting window pops up, click on the Output tab. Under the Recording section, click on Browse, next to the section labeled Recording.
God, I just had to use the restroom. I'm so sorry about that, guys. If y'all are still here, y'all are legends. I know most of y'all are gone now, but if you're still here, thank you. We love you. Well, not literally, but
Переведи в набор.
I love my fans. Don't tell anyone. Okay, so YTR, try, what the heck
Переведи в
am
набор.
I trying to do by trying to do? Okay, get your Russian missiles off of me, you crusty. We are literally on the same team, and you trying to kill me, okay? Where'd you go? There you are. Okay. Get him off. Get him off my game. It's my game you win, not yours. You playing in my game, bozo. Get off of me. Delete-da-da. Delete-da. Delete-da-da-da. Delete-da. Delete-da-da-da. Delete-da. Delete-da-da-da-da. Delete-da. Delete-da. I'm built different, I'm beautiful, you. I will kill every man or woman in your path. Destroy them all, use it to your advantage. And then when you do it now, don't think I'll be there to save you. Whoever has a lock on me, it's AJ most likely. AJ! You butt! Should be a hit. Right.
Предельный угол атаки. Предельная
Come
перегрузка.
on,
Предельный
come
угол
on, come on,
атаки.
come on.
Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. 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 Предельная перегрузка.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace!